You are listening from Story Collection YouTube channel. The news headlines. Security forces recovered 20 firearms in Imphal. Fresh tension near Indo-Myanmar border. Assam Rifles rescue abducted women. Protests over garbage crisis in Imphal West. Excise employees announce indefinite strike. ICL3 result 2026 update. IDPs continue facing difficult conditions. Real environmental success story. Rajasthan man arrest recruitment fraud case. Sports write-up for Manipur. The news in detail. Security forces carried out two major search operations in Imphal West district and recovered around 20 firearms after with ammunition. The seized weapons reportedly included incast rifles, pistols, and other arms. Police said the operations are part of ongoing efforts to control illegal weapons circulation in the state. BJP MLA Thongam Biswajit Singh visited Kamjong border village after recent militant attacks near the India-Myanmar border. Residents reported fears and displacement after armed groups allegedly attacked villages and burned houses. Security has been tightened in the affected area. Assam Rifles rescue women who had allegedly been abducted during cross-border militant violence in Kamjong district. Officials described the operation as a major success in protecting civilians in the conflict-affected border areas. Residents of Lamding in Imphal West protested against the non-functional waste management plan. Locals warned that if authorities fail to clear the growing garbage pile and repair machinery, they may shut down the facility from June 1. The Old Manipur Excise Employees Welfare Association announced an indefinite cease work strike beginning May 18. Employees are demanding revised pay and improved service conditions from the state government. The Board of Secondary Education recently declared the ICLC Class 10 result. The overall pass percentage reported decline slightly this year, while Central District recorded the best performance. Authorities also announced rechecking and compartment examination procedures. Internally displaced person IDP staying in relief camp in Sawon Bung reportedly facing sanitation problem due to the clogged septic tank and poor infrastructure. Relief organizations have appealed for urgent government support. Attack Amur Falcon from Manipur's Tamenglong district successfully completed a record 4,750 kilometers migration journey to Myanmar, attracting attention from wildlife researchers and conservationists. Manipur athlete Inungan Takalambang won a bronze medal at the Asian Judo Championship, ending India's 13-medal drought in the competition. Her achievement has been widely celebrated across the state. India observed National Technology Day today to commemorate the 1990 Pokhran II nuclear test and the country's technological achievements. Prime Minister Narendra Modi greeted scientists, engineers, and innovators across the nation and highlighted India's progress in science and technology. Prime Minister Narendra Modi urged citizens to reduce unnecessary fuel consumption and amid rising tensions in West Asia and increasing global oil prices. Opposition parties criticized the appeal, alleging that fuel price hike could follow soon. The National Investigation Agency sent a team to Bengaluru after explosive gelatin sticks were reportedly discovered near the Prime Minister's convoy route. Security agencies have launched a detailed investigation into the incidents. The Indian Meteorological Department issued an alert for heavy rainfall, thunderstorms, and strong wind across several states, including Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, and part of Northeast India. Authority advised people to remain cautious during the severe weather condition. Indian stock market witnessed a weak open today. The BSE, Sensex, and Nifty 50 both declined due to the concern over the global tensions and rising crude oil prices. Investors remained cautious during early trading hours. Actor turned politician C. Joseph Vijay continued to dominate national headlines after taking oath as a Tamil Nadu Chief Minister. Large public celebrations and strong political reactions were seen across the state. The Indian Premier League Playoff competitions has become tighter as teams battles for qualification. Today's Punjab King versus Delhi Capitals match is considered crucial for the point table. Indian hurdler Tejas Trees won the men's 110 hurdles event at the Indian Athletic Series in Chennai with an impressive timing, marking a major comeback of performance. Political discussion continued nationwide after the recent West Bengal Assembly election result, where Subhendu Adhikari became the first new chief minister. The election result is being viewed as a major political shift in the state. According to today's Pansang, the country is observing Krishna Paksha Navami. Many devotees visited temples and participated in religious activities across India. Global attention remained focused on the Iran conflict after Iran said the United States continued to make unreasonable demand regarding the proposed peace agreement. Former US President Donald Trump reportedly rejected Tehran's latest response, increasing uncertainty in the region. International oil prices remain volatile because of fears surrounding the Strait of Hormuz shipping route. Asian and European markets saw mixed reaction as investors closely watched developments in the Middle East conflict and energy supply concerns. China has confirmed that Donald Trump is scheduled to visit Beijing from May 13 to 15 for talks with Chinese President Xi Jinping. The summit is expected to focus on trade, global security, and the ongoing Iran crisis. Health authorities are monitoring an hantavirus outbreak linked to the cruise ship MV Honduras. Several passengers from different countries have reportedly fallen ill, and the World Organization is coordinating international containment efforts. Officials stated that there is currently no pandemic level threat. The United Kingdom is dealing with rising borrowing costs and political pressure on Prime Minister Keir Starmer. Experts say energy prices and geopolitical tensions are affecting the British economy. A Turkish airline aircraft reportedly experienced a tire fire while landing at the Kathmandu airport in Nepal. Airport emergency teams quickly controlled the situation and all the passengers were reportedly safe. The UK and France are discussing plans with allied countries for nav escort missions near the Strait of Hormuz to protect commercial shipping routes affected by regional tensions. China reported rising producer inflation due to the energy price shocks. Economists are watching closely as global energy instability continues to affect manufacturing export. England women defeated New Zealand women by 1 wicket in the dramatic ODI cricket match. The close finish became one of the most talked about sports stories internationally today. Preparation underway in Vienna, Austria for the upcoming Eurovision Song Contest 2026 international music competition. That is the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.